Hello, Nanny Janny here again. I'm at the climbing tower and this is the entrance. It's a bit dark, so I thought I'd put on a torch. Thought I'd let you see what this must be an indication of what you've got to do. I know you have to do the five levels and you have to bring all 5 crystals to the top, and then once you've done that, then you get the climbing skill. So I don't know which way to go. Oh, my light's gone out, sorry. There you go. Might be spooky. Don't know what's going on here. Right. Hope this is it. Yep. Staircase. I'm glad. I was worried it was going to be just a way down, you know, that you had to jump or climb down. Start you on the way for your climbing skill. Right, yep, it's a roundy staircase. Oh, it's a bit more light down here. Maybe I won't need my torch. Wonder what that is then. Maybe crystals or something. Oh, no, getting dark again. Oh, I hope I haven't got to climb all the way down to the bottom of that place that we walked all the way up just now. Oh, it's windy. I can hear the wind. Spooky. Ah, rails. Ah, iron rings. And here we are. Look at this. Look. So this is what we have to do. I'm guessing you've got to, let's just cut that down. I'm guessing you've got to climb up these thingies. Let's have a go. Just a little go, just to see if I can manage it. No. What do you have to do then? Maybe take it off? No. Got no idea what I've got to do. What does it say? Ah, maybe I have to teleport up. Let's try that. Yep. Teleport. Without falling. Don't know if you can still see me, but I'm climbing. Get down. Nope. Get up. Yep. Oh, yep. That's what it's about then. You've got to climb. You've got to climb with the teleport thing. Let's see how far I get without falling. I'm presuming that's it. Oh yes. Well, I climbed a little bit anyway. Gosh. I think this is going to be taking me a long while. Because look, there's a lot more things to do there. Then I know that you have to do a bit where you've got to grab on things. Nope. Still not grabbing. Nope. Nope. Oh. Well, looks like we've got to do another jump on here. That one. I suppose it would be handy to have brought a lot of food with me to keep the keep your energy up and make the teleport lot work the furthest. Oh, oops. Oh well, I don't see where that goes. Maybe that's the beginning of the climbing up the wall in a minute. Oops. Have to climb on here. Won't climb. Oh well. Well, I'll have to figure it out, I suppose. So, that'll be it for now, I think. Let's say cheerio properly. I'll let you know how I get on. I'm sure it'll be days before I make it to the next level. Let's see. Bye, see you later.